Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management, and welcome you once again to the Best Trade of the Week video, and we're going to go over a few other items as well. Today is Sunday. It's actually January 25th, 2009, and the trade that we're going to look at today happened in the ES market on January 22nd. That's Thursday of this last week. And before we get to that, I want to talk to you a little bit more. KnightCapitalManagement.com, or obviously here at the full URL to reach my blog. Now this was an interesting look at right here. If you haven't not known at this point in time, I am partnered with Rockwell Trading, and this is a good way to get to the live trading rooms here to take a look at the information that's on this page. And I'm going to show you another way to get to that in just a second. Here on the far right hand side, there's a little sign up box here for you, and you can get some more details and find out what I'm doing. First name, email, as much as you want to share with me, and submit. I'm not going to spam you. I'm not going to sell your name. Obviously, if you don't want to be part of Rockwell Trading, you can still be part of my own little here at Knight Capital Management. With that being said, I have partnered with Rockwell Trading and Marcus Highcutter, so this is a good way to get to this. Another way to get to one of the blogs, if you don't want all the advertising, is just go here, click on Day Trading Night, or just save this at Day Trading Night, and I usually put my YouTube videos here. Now once again, if you wanted to get to my YouTube videos, it's youtube.com/trade-craze, TRADECRAZE. So this is where you'll find the kind of educational videos, and obviously since I am partnered with Rockwell, you can access it here as well to get to the live trading rooms. This after offer rockwelltrading.com, or you can obviously you can press the link of the girl that you saw, and this will take you to the live trading rooms. You can actually watch this little video here. This is one of the trading rooms with Brian Larson, and it goes over a little bit of live trading room 1, 2, and the one that I'm a part of is called live trading room 3, trading with the tiger, you know, because it's great. Yeah, right. Anyway, we do trade the ES, the ZB, and also the G6E. And I am following other markets as well. So I think it's going to be worth your while. For 1 week for $1, you can get access to all 3 chat rooms and see which one makes the best sense for you. Okay, once again, to get to all my videos on YouTube, all you got to remember is youtube.com, and my username is TradeCraze, and that'll get you here. Of course, I've updated and changed a few things inside of here. If you looked at it, updated my picture. Go Steelers! Been singing, you'll be singing the song too. Here we go, Steelers. Pittsburgh's going to the Super Bowl. Anyway, just kidding and whatnot, but definitely since I am the Western Pennsylvania huge Steeler fan, and we've got to root them on, and hopefully we'll bring our 6-pack in. So this is how you can get to the all of my videos here on Trade Craze, or on YouTube. My username is Trade Craze. Okay, I'd like to do something a little bit different this week, and hopefully then the next week's as well. This is forexfactory.com. This is actually the weekly calendar, and I'm going to go over my trading with you as well. Now we got a 10 o'clock report right here that we're going to be looking at on Monday, January 26th. Coming in Tuesday, I'm not going to be up at that time, but we also here we got consumer confidence at 10 a.m. and I'm using this new drawing tool that I found on my Camtasia Studio. So this is kind of neat as well. At the Wednesday, we're going to have the FOMC meeting right here. It's going to be really important. We're not going to be trading in the morning on Wednesday, but the afternoon after this statement may be a chance on a Wednesday. And Thursday, to round off my week, we have 8:30 a.m. and notice I'm circling the red reports. And we also have new home sales at 10 a.m. So as far as the trading week goes, we're going to be trading Monday morning, Tuesday morning, and an afternoon session. Wednesday afternoon only with the FOMC here, and Thursday we'll have a morning and an afternoon session. Okay, this is the 6 markets that I trade. We've got the ZB. This is the first market. ES1, I trade this market. This is the eMini S&P. As far as the YM goes, we more use this for correlation between ES and but the third market that I like to trade is the G6E, and obviously I'm getting used to this, how to using this red marker and whatnot, but I thought I'd try something new But this is the three markets that we trade here: the G6E, which is the Euro FX. We trade the eMini S&P or the ES contract. Tracks the S&P 500 or the eMini S&P 500 in this case. And one here is the ZB market, which is the U.S. Treasury market, 30-year Treasury, long bond it's also called as well. So that's the three markets in the. So let's go ahead and get into the trade right now. Okay, here's the market that we're looking at here at the ES market, the eMini S&P. We're looking at this volume here, which is a good volume bar. We're actually going to look. This will be the closing volume, so you notice that we're going to be entering off this bar. Let me go ahead and we have support and we have resistance in this market that I was looking at, and we also had the previous day trend line as well that I was using in our live trading chat room. So let me go ahead and draw those on for you. Okay, so we had a trend line from the previous day going up in this fashion, and you can see it's cutting just underneath right now currently of, look how many times we hit across this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and look at the previous day how it just kind of hung out all the way over to the following day. So we had the congestion area roughly here at the 820 mark. So let's go ahead and put a horizontal line right there. And then we had a bounce off of support here, and you can notice how the support area forming a channel from the previous day, and obviously with Wednesday and Thursday we're kind of looking at the same situation here. Wednesday we're looking at a breakout here, and Thursday we actually have the opportunity to look at it as well. But we do have what's called, I would consider this a double bottom in this sense, and we bounced off of this level. So let's go ahead and put our support at this level and make this channel. So right now we have a channel between 807.5 to 820, and I'm looking for a breakout in this area, and obviously I'd like to see it above this trend line for even a stronger trend. So let's go ahead and fast forward the tape here for a couple seconds, and we're going to look at the 5-minute bar, or actually the 5 minutes into this trade right here, and then I will unpause. So here we are at 150 roughly in the market right now, and the market has moved up above. We have a channel here, have a strong thrusting out of this channel, and we're going to take a shot and stab to the upside. And let me go ahead and put my entries where I was. I actually went long at 823.25. Okay, so here's how we set up the trade. 823.25 was our entry point. 829.25 is our first profit target. We're looking at 832.25 for our second. We have our upper average daily range sitting at 835. On the downside, once again, you're looking at a stop loss at 819.25. Look down here at volume, and I put here a volume good, and you can see this nice green bar that we're getting on this volume. And also, if you look at a 5-minute bar, you can see green volume as well. Now, what I like about this trade, as we finally broke out this range towards the end of the trading day, it made sense here at 145 to make this entry here. So we busted out of this channel, and we're taking a shot on a probability basis that we're going to meet 829.25, 832.25 before we fall back down, because we're busting out of this trading channel itself. And the higher trend line that we have right here, this trend line that I had drawn in the charts from the previous day, still held. And when we busted across this gave it even further proof that I wanted to be on the long side, taking a shot for 829.25, 832.25. Okay, I added a few extra things to our chart. Now the time now off the printing of this bar is 2:15, and this would be the bar that actually made our profit targets here. We got in once again at 150, and we were completely out before 2:15, and both of the profit targets were hit: 829.25, 832.25. As far as it goes right here, you can look at long breakout trade, BO standing for breakout. Our entry at 820.